Creative thinking techniques. There are 7 techniques. The first, challenge the usual. The second, think backward. Then the third, be flexible. Judge later. Draw idea maps. Brainstorm in a group. And the last is daydream. Next page. First, challenge the usual. Ask lots of why and what if question. Challenge what you believe about how products should work or how things are done. Next, please. Next, please. The second, think background. Sometimes solving a problem is easier when you start by imagining the end result you want. Then mentally trace imaginary steps backward to see how you could get there. Next. Next, bye. Palihog. The third, be flexible. There is always more than one way to solve a problem. Force yourself to examine things from different angles. Problems can even become solution. Next, the fourth is judge later. When brainstorming ideas, don't worry about being practical. Also, try not to be negative or prejudice. Those attitudes lower creativity. Not all ideas have to make sense in the beginning. You have time later to decide which ones are not useful. Sometimes ideas that seem silly at first inspire other, more useful solution later. Next, please. Next, please. The fifth, draw idea maps. Drawing possibilities in this way often helps you to see a bigger picture with new possibilities that you might have otherwise missed. You might also try using sticky notes on a wall or poster boards. These methods allow you to move around ideas. You have to you have to draw idea to 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 see the possibilities that you might have otherwise missed. That's all. Then next page, please. The sixth, brainstorm in a group. Ask your friends, family, and classmates to help you generate ideas. The old saying, two heads are better than one, is often true. All of these thinking techniques can be used when working in a group. You, sh- you should you should you should brainstorm your group or ask your family and other to help to generate ideas and 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 to think other techniques can be used when working in a group. Next, please. Next, bye. The last one is daydream. Letting your mind wander is okay. Just make sure you pick an appropriate time when your eyes are closed. close. Practice visualizing what you need product or service would you be. What would it look like, smell like, taste like, feel like, and sound like?
Thus, the problem you've identified call for a new invention or the modification of these are common ways to turn opportunities. First, start a new business. Second is buy a identity business. Third one, right? The fourth one, become an inventor. Next, evaluating an opportunity. With the business idea you like best, then use critical thinking to logically evaluate the feasibility of each idea. Feasibility refers to how possible or worth, worthwhile opportun it worthwhile is to pursue your idea to see if it's actually an opportunity. You can use three practical methods for determining the feasibility of your business idea. The first one, cost benefit analysis. Second, opportunity cost analysis. The third one, SWOT analysis. Next, cost benefit analysis. Despite the fact that entrepreneur must take risk, successful they decide to take a risk. This necessitates carefully evaluate the prospective expenses and gains. One approach of calculating a calculated cost benefit analysis is the term for analyzer risk. It is the act of including and adding up all the anticipated reward of an potential opportunity minus all the anticipated cost. If the advantages outweigh the drawback, the prospective could be beneficial. Next, second, opportunity cost analysis. Opportunity cost analysis plays a crucial role in determining a business capital structure. A firm incurs an expense in issuing both debt and equity part capital compensated and bears for risk of invent, investment, yet it also carries an opportunity cost. Next, third, SWOT analysis. Another way to determine an idea's feasibility is to perform a SWOT analysis. This evaluation method that drew its name from the four area of evaluated strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Next, so strength, strengths. What skill do you have that would enable you to do well with this specific opportunity? What resources do you have available? Time, money, and people who can help you. Do you have any unique knowledge or experience that could give you an edge? Next, weaknesses. In what skill or knowledge area do you need to improve? What resources are you lacking? What might potential customers see as an weakness in your product or services? Next, opportunities. Does this business idea feel an unmet need or want? Are there any trends or changes happening in your community that you could use an advantage? Are other companies already in the same type of business? Next, what can of pursuing this opportunity? What current trends could potentially harm business? How first is the competitions competition in this business area? How this business idea have an short window of opportunity? Next,
So thank you, Mr. Gente. So thank you all for listening for the reports, and sorry for the inconvenience because of the unusual signals of my group mates. So once again, thank you and good day.